Hello everyone! Welcome, dear friends, to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can make your iPhone alarm clock work only by vibration. Before you start, be sure to, friends, put your like on this video. Also subscribe to our channel and don't forget to write comments after watching. And let us get started. If you don't like having some kind of melody on your alarm clock and you can basically wake up even from the vibration, then I'll show you. You can easily customize it. So, first of all, on your iPhone, please find the clock section. Now go to the alarm clock option at the bottom. Next, go to the alarm clock that you would like to customize for yourself. Next, friends, when you've got the time, days, and so on completely set up, go to the sounds section. And scroll down to the bottom of the page and click off. This way, you'll disable any sounds that your alarm clock might have, and you'll be left with just the vibration. By the way, you can also customize it. To do this, click on the vibration and choose the one you like the most. When you press them, you will feel and hear those vibrations. And then, folks, just go back to the back of the screen. And as you can see, those changes will be saved in the alarm clock settings. Dear friends, I really hope that this video was useful and helpful to you. You were able to see how to make your iPhone alarm clock work only by vibration. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and write your comments. See you soon.